Hello, it's a new video about YouTube, how you can create a video from your MacBook within, I don't know, maybe half an hour with creating it, editing it, adding it to YouTube. So let's start. You can see this is my new channel. I have only one video there and we can add one more. So right now we are going to do this with you. So on MacBook, you need to have two additional programs. One of them is out of the box. It's iMovie. So you can see almost all new MacBooks have it. And the second one, it's OBS. It doesn't matter what kind of them you will get. The free one will be more than enough. So, and as a result, so what you can do, the OBS will give you a chance to create a video, so you can record the screen like it is in my case. I'm getting the screen right now. You can then, for example, instead of just getting your desktop, you can put in the right top corner your face from your video camera, then sharing your screen, have different scenes, how I have in here. So it's super easy. So the main idea is to create a video, then what you can do, just record it, start streaming or whatever you want. Let's try to imagine that we have created a video and we have it already. So I have one more here in my iMovie. So it's my previous video, which already on my YouTube channel. So it would be great if you check this as well and give your feedback there. And so how it works, let's for example the iMovie, it's free as well. You can just drag the video to your editor, see how it works, zoom it, check whatever you want, then you can cut it. And for example, in my case, I like to play with the sound. It's pretty critical for me because I don't have a professional mic. And as you can see right now, for sound, I just use the equalizer to reduce background noise. So it's not here right now, but in my previous video, what I have done, I just reduced my background noise. And instead of just hear some noise on background, you can see only my voice, but I'm pretty sure the noise is still there. And equalizer helps to change my type of my voice. So in my case, I use bass boost, and in this case, my voice is not so flat. So let's try to imagine that we have done it already. So let's make some changes there. Then for sound, we can just reduce it a little bit. We have reduced background. In my case, it's usually 70, and then bass boost, and we can cut it if we need that. So for example, just drag and drop the first line in the editor. And the same thing, you can play with the audio, check what you have there. So for example, if you have multiple videos, you can drag it into the editor as well, like this. So, whoa, cool. So we have two different lines here. We can play with the drag and drop, so cut it, add some, I don't know, clips from other videos, and here we are. Let's try to imagine that we are done with that. And what next? Next is export the video. So right top corner, you can click, for example, we have already an icon there, YouTube channel. So click it and play with this. Some text can be added as metadata. In the left bottom corner, you can see duration, the size, and the quality. So I don't want to spend a lot of time sit and wait while there. So let's just choose the lowest quality, but usually I'm using the highest one. So let's choose the lowest, then click next. And when we do this, we need to save this to some folder on your computer. So, and right now in the right top corner, you can see a circle, and this is the progress of the export. Usually it takes around 10 minutes. It depends on the size of your video. quality of it. So for example, my previous video took from 10 to, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes. And right now you can see that it's almost there. We can click it. We can see all data here. So the name and the quality of it, how much time is it. Good. So let's come back while it's in progress. Let's come back to the YouTube channel. How we can upload the video. So if you're an owner of your channel, in the right bottom corner, you can see an icon with camera and upload the video. That's it. Nothing special. So when the export is over, we can jump back to the select a file. Select a file and find our, and let's try to find our video. So here we are, we have YouTube, we have video. Good. Usually it takes some time YouTube to process a video, but meanwhile you can get understanding how it works. You need to put your title, description. The title is super important because usually YouTube, the YouTube is a Google product. They use Google search identity to show your video to users. So, and it should be optimized. So just put main words here. And for example, in description, you put more, you explain with the full picture of your video, and it is used for search as well. So for example, if your video about animals, or for example about a tiger, you should put a tiger name, species, into the description, so all these words will be used in the search. Good. So, and down the road you can choose a thumbnail, or you can choose one of them which will be generated automatically. So playlist will be used to suggest your users who chose your video, which video will be watched next. Audience, it's kind of important. You need to click is it for kids or not. So, and then age restriction advanced, we can extend it, show less, and get understanding of some other data. So it's up to you. You need to choose your primary language, add text, then when you have created this record, the location, which can be used if someone tries to find it by location, and some other data. So it's up to you to check this out. And when we click next, we will get the preview, how it works, when to post it, and other data. So nothing special, it's not difficult to do. And here we are, we have YouTube channel, we have all data around here, and what you need just do is to find an idea and create it on the regular basis. Don't think about money. It's not about money on the first stage. You just want it should be your hobby. So for example, right now, today is the morning, usually I'm creating videos in the beginning of the day, and I found an idea that it's a good idea to share with you how to create a video on your MacBook, and it's super easy. And here we are. Thank you guys for listening. I hope you enjoy my video, and see you around. Take care.